Okay, so today we're working on comparing data from dot plots. We've already done this with stem and leaf plots, but we're going to work on dot plots instead today. So our example is to consider this dot plot we've been given and use the dot plot to determine the mean, median, mode, and range, and then comment on the most suitable measure of data, of the measure of center for the data. So if we're calculating the mean, remember that the mean is equal to the sum of all the values divided by the number of values. So in this case we have 16 plus 18, there's 3 18s, we have 4, 19s, that plus looks a bit like a times, 1, 4, 20, 20, 21, and 24. There we go. And if I count all these up, my writings are looking atrocious today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Should have divided by 12. So I'll just double count, check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. So now I need to add all those values together and divide it by 12. So when I add those all up in my calculator, I get 231, and that divided by 12, sorry, put that into my calculator wrong, that divided by 12 is equal to 19.25, which seems pretty reasonable because I do have a lot of data around the point 19. So then the median, and now my median I can get by counting in towards the middle. If I have an even number, I'm going to end up with 2 in the middle, but I can still count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my middle is both 19, so my median is going to still be 19. My mode will also equal 19 because there's 4 19s and the next closest is 3 18s. And then my range is going to be equal to 24 minus 16, so my biggest minus my smallest, which is equal to 8. Pretty sure. Minus 16 is 8. Yes, cool. My brain is working. And then B, comment on the most suitable measure of center for the data. So the values of the mean, median, and mode, as we can see, were pretty similar. We've got 19.25, 19, and 19, as they're all quite close together. So any of these measures could be considered for using to represent the data. There appears to be 2 outliers, so we got 16 and 24, because those are a lot bigger and a lot smaller. And these two tend to cancel out the effect of each other. So when I'm commenting on it, which is the most suitable, I would say mean, median, and mode is suitable for this data set. And then I should also comment on the outliers if there is any, or the range of the data. But I've already commented on my outliers.